Welcome back to Yummy Cooking with Joy, and Happy New Year to my old subscribers and also my new subscribers. Today I'm making a lemon posset. It's so creamy and yummy. Oh my goodness. So go ahead, have fun, and watch me make it. Make sure you whisk this on medium heat. We want to mix it till the sugar is dissolved. We want to bring this to a boil. Once it gets to a boil, then we're going to go ahead and turn our stove down, and we can see it's bubbling up. Don't let it overboil on your stove. Just turn it down and let it sit aside for 5 minutes. I'm using 2 fresh lemons. Make sure you wash that properly. And you're also going to use 2.5 lemon. You can use 3. If you want 3, that's fine. And we're adding in our zest. And we're also adding in our lemon juice. And let that sit aside for a few minutes. Get a small strainer so you can pour out your custard, and you can take out any seeds or the zest. If you prefer to leave the zest in, that's up to you. So this is the result 12 hours later. I'm serving this with raspberry sauce. I've made this sauce before. It's in my waffle recipe. I'll be happy to link that below. And you can serve this with any fruits of your choice. These are my favorite fruits, so this is what I'm using. But get your favorite fruits, put it on there, or you can have it without. It's up to you. And once you put your sauce on your fruits or without, you can go ahead and serve and enjoy, and your guests will love you. Or your family. This is such a beautiful dessert. I really hope you make it. You can serve it with shortbread biscuit. I did not have time to make my own, so I'm serving it with store-bought. You can also use ginger snap. I really hope you make this recipe. Thanks for watching.